welcome. You are watching Technology Welfare. Let's learn and watch with practical in this video tutorial how to use voice control on any iPhone device, as well as, of course, similar strategy that can be executed on any Apple device, either it's iPod, iPad, or any Mac series. You can control your iPhone device easily by your voice command. So how would you do it? Let's see with practical now. See guys, first of all you need to come in a setting. Sure, let's come in a setting. Now see guys, here what you have to do, simply you need to come in a search bar after coming in a setting, and you have to write VOI. It will reflect in the second line this voice control. Just you need to click here. Now you have to enable these ones. So let's enable. So now see it's enabled. Now see guys, here you can customize command according to your own customization what you want. Just you have to go in a new create, and of course you can command according to your own way, but let's in a short form how we have to use this command. So see guys, for it just simply I speak on this device now, and of course this phone can be controlled by my own voice command. Here see green mic, of course it has been enabled now. Blue mic, it's now see I would like to say what can I say. What can I say? So now see this is a command. Just you have to speak on your iPhone, it will reflect, and by using this ones of course recall it, and according to this instruction you have to follow, and of course you can command your iPhone device. Scroll down. So it's a final scroll down. Go home. Go home. Now see guys, here open the camera. See guys, saying at the moment this command is not correct, so that's why it's not. Now see I would like to have another command here. Open the control center. Now see guys, here it's opened here. So according to your own customization, of course you can control the whole Apple device by giving your voice command by a custom command. So see guys, in the next video tutorial I would like to show you that how you will create your custom command according to a particular apps and application that you would like to use. For example, a camera, if you would like to control by your voice command, then how it would be controlled. Of course you have to send it here, take pictures, and of course open the camera, this kind of the word, of course, and sentences. Just you have to generate by a custom way, then of course it will be a control. So in the next video tutorial, this is all about in this video tutorial. Furthermore, any inquiry related to iOS device, and of course with reference in this video tutorial, then raise the query below the comment box. I will reply in course of time. This is all about in this video tutorial. Thank you guys. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great